Tate, his brother and 2 Romanian nationals who've been under investigation since April are arrested on suspicion of human trafficking, rape and forming an organised crime group.
For those of you guys that know, right, we've known Andrew for a few years. We knew him since 2020, but we met him in person in 2021. We went on the boat and we spent a significant amount of time with him. Then we went to Romania. We stayed at their house for like a month. They let us stay there and live with them. Hung out with Tristan damn near every day. Andrew came later on, hung out with him, had a lot of conversations. And I knew right then and there, right, like when these accusations came, I said, this is bullshit. These guys would never, they have a hard time kicking girls out of their spot, let alone keeping girls there. I was like, this is fucking bullshit.
I like his way of thinking. I like his free mindset. He literally thinks for himself. He believes what he believes in. He follows his beliefs, which I think is absolutely crucial for any individual.
They best get this guy, because if he comes out and he's free, oh my gosh. Can you imagine if he comes out and he's free, what his first live is going to be like? It could break the record. It'll be the talk of the world. It'll be banned in countries. It'll be feared, because if you go after a person like this, you better have proof to arrest him or get him. You don't go through somebody like this because they become a big figure and their message becomes bigger, specifically to the people that didn't listen to it before or hated it. They're going to say, why are you trying to silence this guy? And you don't think Andrew's going to come out telling the story?
I do want to say one thing though. For everyone that thought shit about Andrew and Tristan, right? That were hating, talking smack. Don't switch sides now, bro. Keep that same energy and stay over there, bro.
I'm telling y'all, man, right here, right now, Andrew's out. We need to stand united, because if we don't, we're going to look fucking crazy to the mainstream. And it's already started, but we got to stand united in this all this fucking bullshit. So all the haters out there, right? L3 Podcast, Hassan, Anus and Peach, whatever the fuck y'all niggas want to say. Fuck all you guys, real talk. I hate mentioning other content creators, but this is a W for us, and I gotta take a victory lap. To everyone that talked shit about Andrew, said he was guilty, all this other shit, he's gonna beat the charges, because I'm telling y'all, 3 things always show up. The sun, the moon, and the fucking truth. And it's coming, motherfuckers.
When I was in jail, I focused on doing push-ups and reading the Quran. And when I am home, I will focus on doing push-ups and reading the Quran.
MashaAllah! Don't believe the PUBG! Love PUBG!